Welcome back. So we are looking at our dialogue timeline here, and I want to show you another tool in Premiere Pro that really comes in handy, and it is a tool that allows you to see if you have any duplicate clips on your timeline or any duplicate parts of a clip in a timeline. So let's show you that. I'm going to click on the timeline panel here, and I'm going to click the minus key on my keyboard to zoom out of my timeline. So let's go to this wrench here, the timeline display settings. Click on it, and you will see here that show duplicate frame markers is checked. What this is going to do is allow me to see if there are any duplicate clips in my timeline. Right now, they're not, but what if I highlighted this clip, pushed Command C, brought the cursor over here, pushed Command V to paste that. See, there you go. You will see that there are colored lines of all of the duplicate clips and audio. This tool really comes in handy when you're working with a ton of footage. So let's say you're editing a big documentary project, and along the way maybe you weren't as organized in your sequences and with your footage and clips as you'd like to be, or maybe you're editing a wedding. It could be a number of different types of edits. And especially with larger videos, like let's say you're going to be putting together an edit of a video that's going to be an hour long, you're going to have tons of clips. In that situation, when you're working with a ton of footage and you're picking selects and then you're moving around footage to fit in with dialogue, it can be quite easy to grab a multiple clip and not realize that you've used that clip more than once in your timeline. So using this tool makes it very obvious very quickly if you have a duplicate clip or duplicate audio file. I love it. I keep it on all the time in all of my edits, and I hope that you do as well, because it's just one more tool that Premiere Pro offers that makes your editing a lot more efficient.